I have owned cars for years and always used a dashcam. But a recent visit to an authorized service center left me completely exposed. Not just financially, but my personal safety and privacy were threatened. Before handing over my keys for a routine service, I did everything right. I removed my wallet, my cash, and my sunglasses. I thought my car was perfectly safe. The service ended, and I picked up my car as usual. I noticed the dashcam power cables were removed. This is common. Service centers do not want a camera recording what they do to your vehicle. So, I plugged the cable back in, smiled, and drove away with total peace of mind. A few weeks and almost 1,000 kilometers later, I wanted to pull a good driving video to upload to YouTube. I went to the car to get the card, popped the slot, and froze. It was completely empty. The card was gone. The 1,800 rupee loss of a high-end memory card hurt, and the road danger of driving 1,000 kilometers without evidence could have cost me lakhs. But then the real shock hit me. My private driving videos are now in the hands of an unknown person. Where I drive daily, where I stop, who I pick up or drop off. My entire routine and privacy were completely violated. Look, humans get lured by situations and make mistakes. I do not want to demonize mechanics, but as drivers, we treat dashcams like part of the car, while others see them as a surveillance threat to bypass. Protect your privacy with a strict rule. When handing over your car, physically remove your card. When receiving it back, always insert the dashcam card before you plug the power wire back in to prevent data damage. Treat your camera like old Indian trucks treated their battery box. Muze dekhiye. Check it every single day. Do not drive off on a false sense of security. Stay safe.